Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're checking out the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Pro Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner and Skimmer, one of the most advanced all-in-one robotic pool cleaning systems designed for large residential pools. If you're tired of manually skimming leaves, vacuuming debris, and constantly balancing pool cleanliness, this smart robotic cleaner is built to automate nearly everything. The Beatbot AquaSense 2 Pro stands out because it delivers true 5-in-1 cleaning. Instead of only cleaning the pool floor, this machine handles surface skimming, waterline scrubbing, wall climbing, floor vacuuming, and water clarification. That means it targets floating debris, dirt stuck on walls, algae buildup along the waterline, and sediment resting at the bottom of the pool all in one cleaning cycle. One of the best features is its intelligent navigation system. Using advanced sensors and AI mapping, the AquaSense 2 Pro scans the pool layout to create optimized cleaning routes instead of randomly bouncing around like traditional robotic cleaners. This saves battery life and improves full pool coverage, especially in larger pools up to 3,875 square feet. The cordless design is another huge advantage. No tangled cables, no extension cords across the yard, and no complicated setup. Just charge it, place it into the pool, and let it work. The battery performance is impressive for extended cleaning sessions, making it ideal for large in-ground pools. Another premium feature is the Smart App Control. Through the mobile app, users can monitor cleaning progress, adjust cleaning modes, check battery levels, and even remotely park the cleaner near the pool edge using surface parking technology. That makes retrieval much easier compared to older robotic pool cleaners that stop randomly in deep sections. The built-in water clarification system also adds value. While most robotic cleaners only remove debris, the AquaSense 2 Pro helps improve water clarity by assisting with fine particle management, helping your filtration system maintain cleaner-looking water. In terms of performance, the wall climbing capability works extremely well on most pool surfaces. It can transition between floors, walls, and water lines smoothly, while the powerful suction system handles leaves, sand, bugs, and small debris efficiently. Design-wise, the obsidian finish gives it a sleek premium appearance that looks more modern than standard pool robots. The build quality feels durable and designed for long-term outdoor use. If you own a large pool and want a high-end automated cleaning solution that minimizes maintenance while maximizing convenience, the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Pro is definitely worth considering. It combines smart AI cleaning, cordless freedom, app integration, and multi-zone cleaning into one premium robotic system. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the link below to learn more about the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Pro.